Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zelda Skyward Sword on Nintendo Switch. Immediately after starting the game, you will be prompted to select your preferred control style. Motion controls use the Joy-Cons for sword swings and item use, offering a unique immersion. Alternatively, button controls provide a more traditional experience, mapping actions to the controller. Consider trying both to see which feels most comfortable for your gameplay style. For motion controls, hold your Joy-Cons comfortably and ensure they are well calibrated. A simple press of the Y button will reset your aiming reticle to the screen's center, which is very useful. Sword swings directly correspond to your physical movements, so a precise upward flick will send Link's sword up. Practice these movements early to feel confident during combat encounters and puzzles. If motion controls are not your preference, the button control scheme offers a fantastic alternative. Here, the right analog stick controls all sword movements. Simply flick it in the direction you wish Link to swing. The camera can be freely rotated using the right stick, allowing for better environmental awareness during exploration. This option provides a more conventional gaming experience, maintaining high playability and responsiveness. To excel in Skyward Sword, remember to manage Link's stamina carefully. A full stamina meter allows for longer sprints and powerful spin attacks. Shields have durability and can break after taking too much damage, so visit the bazaar for repairs. Dousing is a key ability, helping you find essential quest items and even treasure chests with ease. Always be on the lookout for upgrades to your sword and gear to make your adventure smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.